Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and I'm a general contractor who 5 years ago had a small business, wasn't even doing $1 million in revenue. Today we're doing many heavy millions of dollars in revenue. I'm sitting here in a $100,000 video studio that we're paying to use with all this fancy equipment. We paid for all of this from the profits of our construction company because we know how to make money as a contractor. I have learned some crazy stuff from mentors, from really doing it, and from frankly people who I got to see do it wrong. And we have gotten the art and the science of running a contracting business down to a simple formula that I would be happy to teach you. If you want to learn this, obviously this is not free. This is not a charity thing. I will not do this for you for free. But if you're interested in actually learning how to run a contracting business and make money, like actually have, I don't want to throw out the numbers, but I paid myself a couple $1,000s this week out of just draws that came in where there was money allocated to me on it. So just keep in mind that it is actually possible. I also want to give you hope in this video of running a profitable contracting business. It is possible, but not if you have the wrong information. If you want help with building a profitable and successful contracting business and you want to get coached by me personally, send me an email. Write this down. I'm going to give you my email. I can't put it in the link because I'll get a bunch of spam, but I'm going to put it in the video here. Write this down. It's Brad, B-R-A-D, at homelove, H-O-M-E-L-O-V-E, .construction. I don't know how to spell that. I can spell it when I write it, but I can't spell it out loud. Brad at homelove.construction. There's no .com on that. This is my personal program that I'm offering to you from someone who's figured it out. If you're trying to figure it out, or if you're thinking about actually launching a construction business, you spend 4 weeks with me, do this program, and I will actually teach you what is successful, what is not successful. I'll give you all the resources that I use, how I do pricing, my actual pricing program, how we project manage, what our system looks like. I'll give you the whole skeleton of how we actually do it. It'll take about 4 weeks. It'll take some monetary investment. We're gonna stretch your wallet as well, because the other thing you're gonna have to realize is that in order for you to make money, you gotta be charging enough, man. That's lesson. If you take one thing away from this video and we don't wind up working together, here's one thing. You have to be sure that you're charging enough and you can't give anything away. Giving things away doesn't help anyone. That's lesson number one. So that said, if this is something you're interested in, send me an email to brad@homelove.construction. I'll be happy to talk to you, and let's go make some money together. Let's build a massive, profitable contracting business that, by the way, also helps people. If you're not running a profitable business, you will stop doing what you're doing and you won't be able to help anybody. And I know you're someone who wants to help people. So first, let me help you. Go to send an email to brad@homelove.construction and let's get started. Why waste time? Let's just get started today. That's lesson number 2, take time out of the equation. So that said, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Brad@homelove.construction if you want my help on growing a profitable contracting business. And that said, I'll see you in the next vid. Please hit the subscribe button because it does help me a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid. Peace.